So, once you got it like this, like that, is that you just basically fold this part over like that. Like that. And flip it over, and fold this over like that. So what you need to do after you gotten this, just basically fold this up, make sure you have it lined up and everything. So once you got like this, leave it folded up, and then we need to fold this down until this meets here, that meets there. Unfold, and we'll do the same to the other side. So basically, like that, unfold, and then the creases that you made, you're gonna pinch them you're not gonna to reverse fold. You're just going to put this and just basically, it's just reverse fold these. Then you create a crease up. Then fold this down. Fold this in half. So basically, fold this. Got it like this. This part is going to be the bird. So basically what you want to do, about this pocket. Sorry. Put this. I mean, if you know how to reverse fold, it's fine. But if you don't, just check other videos to how to reverse fold. So once you got it like this, it was just like putting it up and then putting it down like that. You need to take this part, open it up, then take this part and then just flatten it. Like so, to create the actual bowl. You just basically just pull it like that. There you go, there's your... Then, if you want to, you can just take this and then pull it up. Basically, it's just supposed to be, pull these up, and then this is supposed to come down to shrink it. Fold these up and then, well, not fold, just like, see? It would take a drink. So there you go. There's how to fold a drinking bird. If you like my video, check out my other videos. And make sure to subscribe if you want more origami and action origami like this. I'll try to make a video at least once a week. So, yeah. Laters. Bye.